What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I just finished my Fashion Fever video and was about to clean up. Don't look at me like that. Seriously, I'm trying to keep the studio a little more organized. But while I was trying to put stuff away, new dolls arrived. So of course, we're gonna take a quick break from the cleaning to open a few new dolls. Because priorities. Today, we are taking a look at Barbie Signature Clueless dolls. I pre-ordered these dolls from Mattel Creations for $60 each. On the website, it says that they are gold label dolls. We have Cher and Dionne. Both dolls come in a pink glitter box with a heart on the front. The glitter is printed. There are lots of little themed icons on the box, like Cher's fluffy pin. On the back of the box, we can see a picture of the doll with some information on the side. Barbie celebrates the 30th anniversary of Clueless, the iconic 90s coming-of-age film that's totally a timeless cultural touchstone. Dionne gets major snaps for her chic, matching black and white plaid miniskirt ensemble. And Cher is way stylish in her sunshine plaid yellow suit with a pleated skirt and matching blazer. That's become a legendary fashion statement. So, after watching this in the 90s, I literally talked like this for like a decade. So, yeah. And then there was a TV series. I was crazy about Clueless. But right now, let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. I absolutely love this. Each doll comes with a certificate of authenticity. This one says Cher, and the other says Dionne. However, on the certificate, it does say that these dolls are Black Label, when Mattel Creations says gold, if that even matters to you. We get a doll stand and an articulated doll. The body type is Gigi with high-heeled feet. She can move at the head, the shoulder, elbow, and wrist, the hip, and knee. At $60, I would have liked to have seen a made-to-move body, but that's just me. Her face sculpt is Teen Skipper. Her eyes are gray with an outline of green. It looks like she's wearing kind of a mustard eyeshadow, has a pink lip color with a toothy grin, blonde hair with a side part, her hair reaches past the waist, she wears plastic pearl earrings that are removable, she wears a yellow plaid suit with a jacket that is hemmed, the stitching is yellow, the lapels look nice and clean, the pattern continues all the way around, the fabric feels like it's a polyester. She has a matching skirt with pleats on one side. It velcros in the back. Her white shirt is a bodysuit with short sleeves, which I think is pretty smart. It stays nice and neat under the skirt. She wears a yellow vest with faux white buttons. It velcros in the back and is a separate piece from the bodysuit. I love that they are separate pieces. It gives us more options when it comes to styling. She wears knee-high socks. They are full socks, which is nice. She wears white platform shoes with sculpted buckles. We also get Cher's driving permit and a flip phone. And she comes with a plastic faux fur backpack. Personally, I think this is a cute doll, but I do think that a $60 price point is a little high. With Dionne, we get another doll stand and flip phone. Instead of a backpack, Dionne comes with a hat. That looks like the one from the movie, and it has painted details, is finished all the way around, and totally giving that movie vibe. She has the Brooklyn face sculpt with green eyes, a toothy grin, red shiny lipstick, and a painted nose ring. My doll has a little factory defect on her lipstick right there, which is a tiny imperfection, but at $60, I'm looking. This doll comes with brown braids that go down to the waist. She also has the Gigi body type with high-heeled feet, wears a white and black suit with a plaid print. The jacket has black satin lapels, is finished all the way around, paired with a matching skirt that looks like it wraps in the front. The skirt velcros in the back. She also comes with a white short-sleeve bodysuit and a red top that are two separate pieces and velcro in the back. She wears tall black socks that stop below the knee. It looks like she has the same shoes as Cher, but in black. If you're looking for a made-to-move body match, It looks like she's somewhere between the blue tie-dye and the AA soccer player. Barbie Basic Doll 1 is kinda close, but not an exact match. Cher looks kinda close to You Create Barbie Basics Kit 2. And I forgot to check if Dionne's earrings are removable. Let's see, can we remove them? Nope, they were not designed to be removed. As a fan of Clueless, these dolls were a must for me. But at a $60 price point, I would have loved to have seen original face sculpts or made-to-move bodies. But the Teen Skipper face sculpt is really cute, and I love Brooklyn so much with a nose ring. We can use the packaging by cutting a few rectangles. I'm using our printable folder as a pattern to cut a 3 by 2 inch rectangle that we can fold in half to make a few folders for school. We can use our binder printable as a pattern, then fold it to make a little faux binder. We can cut out our printable binder pages, fold and glue them according to the instructions in our back to school supplies video. I cover the inside of the binder with some leftover pink paper, then glue in the binder pages to make a binder for the dolls to carry around school. With a Barbie Clueless theme, we can take a toothpick, paint it pink, trim it, let's add silver paint to the end, and a touch of black. Glue a pom-pom onto the end to make something for the dolls to write with. Since Clueless does showcase a school environment, and we've already been making a few supplies, I modified one of our printables to include some of the stuff we've been making in this video. And I edited the tablet to look like Cher's dressing app using our Paper Dolls printables. And I added it to the computer as well. So we can just cut them out, glue them onto cardstock. While waiting for the glue to dry, we might as well see how those made-to-move bodies look. Barbie Basic number 1 is not perfect, but I would probably do it, because when the doll is fully dressed, it might not be that noticeable. I'm adding Cher to the You Create Barbie Basic body, which is very close, but there might be a better match out there. But I like the ease of swapping the heads, so I'm gonna go with this one. Now we can cut out the computers and the tablets again and glue them together to help Cher and Dionne pick out something to wear in a modern world, where they can use a computer or a tablet. We are going to have so much fun searching through our doll clothes to dress them up. Let's tuck this under to make something that looks like Cher's little red dress. Let's add the stole from the Replay the Classics Barbie. Add her flip phone to make a Cher-inspired look using a few things we already have. I am super excited to recreate so many Clueless-inspired looks. Let us know what you think about the Clueless dolls in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few new dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram and on Create Something Fabulous for college vlogs. And we will see you next time. Bye!